Welcome back guys to our world, puregkworld. If you have not subscribed my channel, please press the red colored button to subscribe and the bell icon to get latest notification from puregkworld. VPN means virtual private network, is a way of connecting a computer to a remote network. A VPN is a service that lets you access the web safely and privately by routing your connection through a server and hiding your online action. Most people using computers connect to the World Wide Web using a normal network, like dial-up or broadband. VPN use strong encryption to prevent unauthorized users from reading the data being sent over the VPN. For example, if you are in a restaurant or railway station using the free internet service, any hacker can easily get into your device by stealing your IP address and can take all the important information like your bank account details, credit card details, and all other details which you have saved in your phone. At the same time, if you switch onto a VPN, the hacker cannot track your device because the IP address keeps on changing and the data get encrypted. If you are using VPN, nobody can trace your location, IP address, system details, etc. Everything will get encrypted through virtual private network. Now, how does VPN works? When you connect to the web without a VPN, here's how your connection looks. Though it's the standard, this sort of connection has some flaws. All of your data is out there in the open, and any interested party can peek at what you're sending. Now, here's how the same connection looks with a VPN enabled. When you use a VPN service, your data is encrypted because you're using their app goes in encrypted form to your internet service provider, then to the VPN server. The VPN server is the third party that connects to the web on your behalf. This solves the privacy and security problem for us. I hope you might have got a bit idea regarding virtual private network and how it works. In my next video I will tell you the difference between a paid VPN and a free VPN. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. See you soon.